If you want to use ChatGPT 4 in Google Slides, this tutorial is going to walk you through the process step by step in a simple and easy way. This is a great setup if you want to save time, create better presentations, and bring AI into your workflow without overcomplicating things. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Slides in your browser and go to the presentation where you want to use ChatGPT 4. Once you're inside Google Slides, look at the top menu and click on Extensions. This is where Google keeps add-ons and extra tools that can expand what Slides can do. From the Extensions menu, click on Add-ons, then choose Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can search for tools that work with Google Slides and help you add AI features. Now in the search bar, type GPT. You'll see different results appear, but the one you want is GPT for Sheets, Docs, Forms, Slides. This is the add-on that supports Google Slides and lets you connect AI tools directly into your presentation workflow. Once you find it, click on it to open the add-on page. After that, click Install. Google will ask for permission before installing, so go ahead and click Continue when prompted. This part is important because Google needs your approval before the add-on can be added to your account. You may see another permission screen after that, so click Continue again if needed. Then choose the Google account you want to use and approve the installation. Once the install is complete, the add-on should be ready to use in Google Slides. At this point, you've successfully added the GPT tool into your Google Slides workflow. Depending on how you want to use it, you can now generate slide content, brainstorm ideas, rewrite text, or help speed up your presentation creation with AI assistance. That's what makes this so useful for students, business users, teachers, marketers, and anyone who builds presentations regularly. If you don't see the add-on right away, refresh your Google Slides page and check the Extensions menu again. Sometimes a quick refresh is all it takes for the new tool to appear. Once it's available, you can start using ChatGPT 4 features through the add-ons interface and begin creating faster than ever. Now, a quick tip. Always make sure you're installing trusted add-ons from reliable sources. Since you're connecting an external tool to your Google account, it's a good idea to review the permissions carefully before approving anything. That way, you stay in control of your account and your presentations. So to recap, you opened Google Slides, went to Extensions, clicked Add-ons, selected Get Add-ons, searched for GPT, installed GPT for Sheets, Docs, Forms, Slides, and approved the permissions. That's the full process to get started with ChatGPT 4 in Google Slides. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the video and lets you know when new tutorials are posted. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.